Hey guys, happy Sunday. It's Sunday over here. And this is baby Renee. It's which your birthday it was Friday, ain't that?
I still not just 8 now. Just 8 Sunday.
Where will the cake now? Where's the cake?
How can I?
Hold on.
Eh.
See who's smiling guys. It's
Hey,
Renee.
it's my baby.
Happy birthday to our videographer.
Hello, it's my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
So yeah, let's get the fish outside. Let me show you guys what I'll be using to cook today. I'll be using fish. I wanted to use chicken, but my husband doesn't really like chicken like that. No point going to the poultry to our farm to get chicken this morning. So we'll be using, I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but my voice is low. I just woke up. We'll be using fish, mullet fish. I'll bring it out and show you guys and prepare it here. Yeah. And just keep it on the floor. Ma, good morning.
Lately I've been thinking about the choices I have made and doubt the life I've chosen for myself. I wonder how it would pan out if I stuck to the status quo and stayed in England. Never know, but when I see my friends, I see them with this golden glow. It seems they can touch the rainbow. I guess I'll never know, never know, never know. Would that be me if I'd stayed in my city? Red, blue, and green.
So this is the fish here. This is the oil that actually came from the fish. And this is how I was able to fry it. So we're using this for stew. And I'm about making a little curry soup for my husband, hence this meat here. So it has been in the freezer. I just wanted to do. That's the tomatoes we're using, and there's the onion, and yeah.
Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? And often we're reminded to enjoy each day and find it in ourselves to show some gratitude for every moment through and through. I try so hard to just be present, mom will slip the adolescence. I can't help but wonder, but I guess I'll never know what the other book looks like. Oh, wouldn't that be nice if that was me? If I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be? But there's not to say that I'm not happy with my life this way. 'Cause I know both ways, but I'll be thinking about the parallel days. If that was me, if I'd stayed in my city. Red, blue, and green. Red, blue, and green. Is that how my life would be? Is that how my life would be?
Hey guys, good morning. I think it's still morning now. It's not. It should be around 11 something. How is your day going? I've been very busy, guys, this morning. I'll show you guys what I was doing in a minute. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys the living room. No, not the living room. The walkway. Or how do they even call that part? Like that part of my house. I don't know what it's called, but it's the area before my room. This place leads to, like, let me show you guys. See, told you guys I was going to change the paint to white. I did change it from orange to white, and this is how it's looking. What color is it? Still looking pink, right? Still looking pinkish, a bit purplish, but it's going to be white. So that is what I've been busy doing this. Like that's not what I've been busy. Actually, I'm not the one painting, but we've been busy trying to fix that place. I later changed my mind. I told you guys I was going to change my mind at some point, so I later changed my mind. This place is dark. Let's go to the kitchen. So I later changed my mind. We're going to be spending a lot of time together in this house. This vlogmas, we're going to be spending a lot of time together in this house. So I guess you guys should just start getting very familiar because you guys are my roommates now. So that's what they call it in the US. It's roommates, it's not housemates. So you guys are my roommates. We're staying in the same house, but you're my roommates. So I got okazi. Let me just show you guys a quick haul of what I got in the market. I'll show you guys what I got from the market. I got okazi for soup. I got periwinkles, and this is like 4 cups here, the original cup, and this one is another 4 cups. And here we have 2 cups. So everything here is 10 cups. And I got fresh pepper. I'll be using it to cook soup. Although I'm not using all the periwinkles, I'll store some of them in the freezer. I might use just 1 or even like 3 cups out of this to make food.